right, hello, coworker friends. So I'm just going to make this video real quick because some of you are asking about the app that I've been using to make my videos for my notes. It's called Explain Everything, and it looks like this in the App Store. I am paying for it monthly. You get a week free trial, but I really like it, so I'm going to stick with it. So once you open the app, you can choose New Project. It lets you do a blank canvas, a template, or files. So if you just want like a regular whiteboard, you click on blank canvas. I've been uploading my notes, so I would click on the file button all the way over to the right. It then gives you a different, all different places where you might want to upload files from. I connected my Google Drive, and again, I'm doing all of this on my iPad. So I connected my Google Drive, so I just go to the folder that I want. We'll go to Geometry Unit 4, and I'm saving all of my files in my drive as a PDF, so that everything is just a little bit cleaner, because if I save images, especially in geometry, when I've been trying to save Google Docs with images, the formatting gets a little bit weird. So I click on my PDF version. Let's see, actually, let's do this one. I don't want that. All right, so we'll do, okay, so then you click import once you get the PDF that you want. You have options to choose your layout. I'm putting each page as a separate slide, and then you just click insert. Don't click lock pages, because then you can't change the size, and you'll see that they're kind of small when you first import them. So you click insert, and then it opens up a new project, and you have different slides with all of your notes on here. Okay, so you can use all of these different tools, the hand tool, touch and hold, zoom and pan. You can just use 2 fingers to kind of zoom in. So that was pretty small, so I'm just zooming in on this. And then you have all of these different functions. I haven't even used all of them yet, but I'm using the pen function. So you can click even what type of pen you want, the size that you want your font, the color, geometric mean of 8 and 10. And then you could just use a stylus to write directly on here. Now, you could do this all ahead of time, or if you look down here, that button allows you to record while you are writing. So I'm using a different app to record this tutorial video, but you would just click on that, and it records while you're writing. So you have to be careful though and pay attention, because if you accidentally hit this button, it turns the microphone off and it mutes you. So I, of course, am making tons of mistakes. So you can pause it. You can hit the stop button. It opens up everything that you've done so far. So let's see if we could hear this when I click play. So now it'll play what I was doing. You just click on that, and it records while you're writing. So you have to be careful though and pay attention, because if you accidentally hit this microphone off, and it mutes you. So I, of course, am making tons of... So then if you want to delete something, so that was an example, and it sounds really clear. You can tell that it sounds really clear. That's why I really like this. So if I realized, oh crap, I made a mistake, I need to go back to and delete, let's say I wanted to delete all the way up to where my voice cut out. You just put the red line there. You click this little trash can button. I know it's hard to see it, but you can click that little trash can button right there, and it deletes everything after that point. So I'm really liking this app. You can use the highlighter. You can highlight different things. You could add shapes. You could add a text box. I don't know what every single one of these does, but I'm finding it very, very helpful so far. And then when you go to the next slide, though, so you'll see, watch the timer at the bottom. So I'm recording right now. When I go to the next slide, it starts the time over. So when you change your slide, you kind of want to slow down what you're saying, because it will start your time all over again. Other than that, you just once you're done, you click this button in the top corner. You can just use a web link. I'm exporting it to my drive, and then from my Google Drive, I'm uploading it to YouTube because I just find that YouTube is a little bit easier. I haven't really, there might be shorter ways to do it. I haven't really looked into that yet, but that's just how I've been doing it. So like I said, I think it's $7 a month. I made the investment because I don't know when we're going to be going back, and you can cancel the subscription at every time or at any time. So if you guys have questions, you can just reach out. Good luck. And I hope you guys are all doing well.